Try, adapt, learn. In this video, we will try to clean stains from a stone countertop. If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe now for more videos including maintenance, DIY, and other random projects. The two products used for stain removal are white distilled vinegar and baking soda. Simple green stone cleaner and stone polish were also used. These were chosen because they were readily available and an alternative to purchasing a specialized cleaner. The stain removal process began with applying both baking soda and vinegar to the surface. Once both items were on the surface, a new dish sponge was used to scrub the surface. This piece of stone countertop may be a type of quartz countertop, which could also be labeled as compound stone or engineered stone. The piece was extra scrap from a counter project and was stored on the ground with dust, mud, and a pencil mark. Prior to the start of recording, this piece was washed with water out of a hose and wiped with dish soap and a paper towel. The remaining stains and pencil mark can be seen at the beginning of this video footage. It was then decided that the process of cleaning this piece may be then helpful to others trying to remove stain off of their countertops. That being said, this video is for demonstration purposes as an alternative cleaning method to a scrap piece of countertop. Countertops are made from a variety of materials and may need specific cleansers as well as sealers applied in a specific process. For proper cleaning methods, contact the manufacturer and/or the sales department for countertops. After multiple attempts, the stains on the surface were greatly reduced. The majority of the stains and the pencil mark was gone, but some of the tint of the stain remained. It is my opinion that all of the stains would have been removed if additional time was taken to scrub the surface even longer. If the surface looked dull, it could be helped by polishing. Once the process with baking soda and vinegar were complete, the simple green stone cleaner and stone polish were applied with paper towel. Although some of the stains remained, the process itself was worth sharing in this video. Perhaps this may be an alternative cleaning method or a reminder that scrubbing is a great stain remover in itself. As I make new videos, I want to share them with you, so subscribe now. Also comment, like, and check out some of the other content on our channel.